Chewy or crispy? What team are you? I'm team both, but sometimes I prefer one over the other. I don't know, you might have people in your camp that want crispy, and then you might have people in your camp that want something chewy and soft. But here's the ticket. I will give you a few tips on how you can achieve the best of both worlds. We're starting with crispy chocolate chip cookies, booze. So the butter goes straight into the mixer. And yes, we're using extra because thin and crispy is the goal today. Once that's going, we add in our brown sugar and white sugar and let that get light and smooth. Now, add in your eggs, whole eggs only, because that's what's gonna keep these cookies thin and just right. In a separate bowl, we're gonna mix together the flour, the salt, the baking powder, and baking soda. Then add in the vanilla and a splash of milk. Next, ease that flour in before folding in those chocolate chips. Scoop tablespoon-sized dough onto the parchment-lined cookie sheet and give them a little space, y'all, because these cookies like to spread. Bake at 350 for about 15 minutes, but start checking at the 10-minute mark, booze. Crispy edges, golden centers, and exactly how a crispy chocolate chip cookie should be. All right, these crispy babies are ready to devour. But first, let's check the crisp test, right? This is the way we know if these are the ultimate crispy chocolate chip cookies. Does death crisp or not? All right, let's see. Yeah, crispy, y'all. Very crispy. Chewy chocolate chip cookies. So delicious, but sometimes so hard to master. I have all of the best scientific baking tips that will help you master these cookies time and time again. Let me show you how to make them. Now for my chewy chocolate chip cookies, we start with less butter to keep them thick and soft. Then we add in more brown sugar and just a little white sugar, followed by eggs. I like to use extra egg yolks because that brings so much more richness and that perfect chew. Then in a bowl, mix together the flour, the salt, cornstarch, baking powder, and baking soda. Then add that to the mixer. Next, you'll notice a little cornstarch in this one, unlike in my crispy cookies. That's what helps to soften that structure and also lock in that moisture. That's what you need for a chewy cookie, booze. Now, we're gonna add in the chocolate chips and scoop the dough onto a cookie sheet. We're gonna also make sure we leave about 1.5 inches apart for each one. Pop these in the fridge for about 30 to an hour because we really want these to get nice so they do not spread too much. Bake at 350 for 10 to 13 minutes, a little less time than the crispy cookies. Now look at these, booze. So now that we've mastered both of our cookies and I've taken you through all of my scientific, well-tested tips on how you can master both varieties of the chocolate chip cookie, you can see how just even slight differences in ingredients or ratios can make all the difference. Even just adding a few more minutes of bake time can take you from this to this. Okay, let's take the bite. Do we hear the crisp? I think we nailed these. Perfect crisp. Perfect chocolate chip cookie ratio here. The chocolate chips and the crisp in the dough. Get that crunch factor. These are incredible. Now we are going to try our chewy chocolate chip cookie. Oh, it's so good. Super soft. Like tender almost, right? And it's beyond buttery. And I don't like to overload my chocolate chip cookies with a ton of chocolate chips. It's like the perfect amount. I love more dough than chocolate chips, so it's like perfect ratios. almost like butterscotchy with that butter and that brown sugar. And, you know, it's just perfect. Absolutely delicious. You are gonna love these. Make sure you try this recipe. It is one of those recipes that is like great for the bake sale, great for Santa, great for Netflix and chill, great for whenever. You're gonna love it, and let me know in the comments if you try it.